welcome to High Value Couponer. So today we are here with some Amazon deals, saving on essentials. I know Amazon, I never really talk about it, but you know, right now this is definitely something that, you know, is safe. Them delivering it right to your house, not actually coming in contact with anybody. And a lot of us, that's what we're trying to do right now, myself included. So I just thought I'd share this. Now I want to make sure to preface this. This is the most important part. If you're going to buy any of these, I would seriously beg you, do not just go on Amazon.com and look them up directly. Please use the link I will have in the description. I'll have a link for each of these deals. I've recently become an Amazon.com affiliate, which means if you purchase a product using my link, I get a small commission from that. So literally, it's all still the same. You're getting the same product, the same price, but using that link just helps me out because it shows Amazon that I directed you to buy this product. So please, 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 if you're interested in buying any of these, use the affiliate links in the description, and I'll even have them in the comments to make it extra easy. So these might not be the best deals for some people. There are some really good markdowns on here. I'm shocked at some of the good sales they had on Amazon this week. So I'm planning on doing these every Thursday too during the quarantine. So yeah, let's just get into it. We have these Solomo K-Cups. $29.99 for 100 count. I forgot to write down the math, but it ends up being 29 cents a cup for the coffee. That's a really, really great price for K-Cups. I believe this is an Amazon brand, but that is definitely still a great deal. We have Arm & Hammer 5-pound baking soda. It is on sale, so it's regularly $6.99 for this big 5-pound bag. It's on sale for $3.24. That's more than half off. That's a really, really great price if you're in need of some baking soda. We have, the Pepperidge Farm Goldfish. This is a really cool, this reminds me of Sam's Club shopping, honestly. Most of the things are bulk size, and it's just really cool to be able to stock up. So the Goldfish, the 30-pack is $9.98 on sale. Little single-serve bags. This is 33 cents per bag. Regular price in this is $12.92, so it's a decent savings, getting some money off. Okay. This is a good sale too. The PB Fit, the powdered peanut butter. I really like powdered peanut butter actually, and it's a lot less calories and stuff. It is $11.99 on sale for this huge 30-ounce. Regular price is $14.29. So that's really awesome. Okay, this is a good one. And this is actually cheaper than what you're going to find at Kroger or Walmart. The StarKist 8-pack of tuna, the 8 cans for the name brand, is $6.84. This breaks down to 85 cents per can, which is really, really awesome. All right, we also have this Orrington Farms beef broth base. Like I said, some of the stuff is overpriced, but a lot of it's really good deals. And this is a good deal. This makes 56 cups of broth. It's $3. So $3 for 56 cups. You know, think how much that's going to get you. It's a really big deal. Okay, the 58-count Quaker Chewy bars are $11.99. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. That's a lot of money. But think of it in the per serving, because this is bulk shopping, and bulk shopping is more money. But per serving, it's 21 cents per bar, which is not bad at all for a snack. A lot of us, I don't have kids, but a lot of you guys have kids right now at home, so you need snacks, and so it's really helpful. It looks like they have cookies and cream. I've never seen cookies and cream in the Chewies before. This is the best deal of all of them, honestly. The Pediasure 24-pack Grow and Gain for kids, 24 shakes, is $29.97. This is unreal. Unreal. This is I checked Kroger, and it's $11.19 for 6 shakes. For 6. So if you had to buy enough to get 24, that would be over $50 there too. So to get it for $29.97 for 24 shakes on Amazon is an unreal kind of savings, so go for that. This is not the best for the cereal, but this is the best cereal deal I could find on Amazon. It's on a pretty good sale. So the 4-pack of Life cereal is $9.95. Regular price is $17.85. That breaks down to about $2.50 a box. That is not the best. We know that. Not the best. However, like I said, if you are not able to go to the store and you're running low, this is a pretty good deal if you're in need. Okay, the 48-count Quaker oatmeal, $9.10 on a sale. Regularly $9.58, so it's not that exciting. But again, look at it in the bulk size. It's bulk, so you're going to pay more, but that breaks down to 19 cents a serving. 19 cents for breakfast. Come on, that's pretty great. Pretty great. This is definitely a really cheap snack option. The flavor ice pops are $9.31 on sale. Regular price is $12.52, so that's a big savings, and it breaks these down to 9 cents per ice pop. 9 cents. That's really great. And now I'm craving these. These actually sound really good. So, and the cool thing is you don't even need Prime, Amazon Prime, to get these deals. You just have to make sure it's $25 and then you'll be guaranteed your free shipping. So, really awesome. Okay, 12-pack Annie's mac and cheese is $14.88. That breaks down to $1.24 a box. This frequently hits on sale at Kroger for $1, but a lot of us are not going to Kroger right now. So you might just want to pay a little bit extra and have it stocked up. This is cheaper than the grocery store for sure. The Kraft mac and cheese cups are $6.48 on sale. That breaks down to 81 cents a cup. They're regularly $7.48. These are really good for lunch ideas and stuff like that. This is definitely a cheap option, and it's not all the pre-portioned stuff, so maybe you'd rather do this for money saving. The Snyder's 40-ounce mini pretzels are $4.98 for this humongo tub of them. That's a really great deal, so awesome. Stretch Island fruit snacks are $10.17 for the 48 count. Regular price is $11.97. So that's like 22 cents a pack for fruit snacks. Not too shabby. Okay, the Love's diapers. Now this is a diaper deal. This is the cheapest diapers I saw. They're on good sale. They're regularly around $35, but depending on the size you pick, you can get them for $28 to around $30. Depends on which size you pick. This is a pretty good deal to have diapers. Again, it's bulk, so you're paying a little bit more. Okay, Safeguard gloves. This is definitely essential if you have to go out right now. They're $20.49 for 100 gloves. That's not a bad price. This is an amazing sale. I don't know what was up with this, but the Swiffer Wet Jet 24-pack mopping refills, $4.90, regularly $14.99. Yeah, that's amazing. Amazing. Unreal. If you use Swiffer Wet Jet, you should be getting that regardless. Okay, the Cascade is $16.97, regular price $18.99. That's like 22 cents per load. That is not the best, but if you're out, you're probably not going to see a deal for a long time on it, so you might want to just grab it while it's on some sort of sale. And then finally, we have the Glad Protection 110 count tall kitchen bags. They are $16.37 sale price, regularly $19.06. That's like 15 cents a bag, so not too bad. Now, if you want to organize your coupons during the quarantine, if you still have any coupons, always in the description box below, I have links to my essential coupon organization products. You can totally check those out and see if you're interested in any of those. They're in the description. All right. So also want to remind you guys, however you're shopping, maybe you're still interested in in-store savings on essentials. I do have multiple options for you guys. I've done Kroger, Walmart, and Aldi stuff, content for you guys this week. I'd encourage you to watch that. Views are really low right now. Compared to what they usually are. So any of you, if you want to support the channel, go check out those videos. But I'm trying to provide various options for those of you depending on how you're shopping. So a lot of you guys have been wanting Amazon and wanting at-home deals. And so I'm really trying my hardest to accommodate for everybody who's still going in the store and who is interested in online stuff. So yeah, I'm impressed. And I think that, you know, in this time, it's so important and I'm trying my best. A lot of people don't agree with me talking about deals, but I know there's a lot of people who have lost their jobs and who really are in need right now. So, you know, just because one person has the means to be able to pay whatever for stuff doesn't mean that everybody does. So I'm trying to help those people out who need help saving money on groceries. So that is my Amazon deals video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know that it's kind of, you know, kind of odd to buy on Amazon for couponing and groceries. We're so used to going in the store and getting all these deals, but right now it's just not possible, honestly. It's just not. So, you know, embrace the Amazon thing, get things you need. You know, these things, I like the idea that's bulk size, so you don't have to buy, like you won't have to buy it as frequently, get stocked up on things, and just help your family save where they can. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. Stay safe out there. And I'll be back tomorrow with a coupon chat video. So thank you guys for watching.